Yes, I know, that wasn't the introduction you were expecting to see, but I hope you like it. I tried to do this video at school with my iPhone. It didn't work. I don't know why, so I'm doing it here at home. I hope it works okay. I wanted to very briefly talk about our topic from today's class, which was the Declaration of Independence. And I want to talk about it in three different ways. I want to talk about it historically, philosophically, and finally, how did it change our notions of citizenship in a democratic society? But first, historically. The Declaration of Independence was very famously written in 1776 by a Virginia delegate of the Second Continental Congress named Thomas Jefferson. In the Declaration of Independence, Jefferson makes the claim that these states are free, they are independent, and that the long train of abuses, such as the Stamp Act, the Intolerable Acts, and many others, is now at its end. Secondly, the Declaration of Independence can be seen as a philosophical document as well, one that really embodies the political philosophy of classical liberalism, specifically the ideas of John Locke. And those ideas are essentially that government exists to protect natural rights. And we have these natural rights by virtue of our humanity. It doesn't matter what race you are, what gender you are, how old you are, how wealthy you are. Everybody has natural rights. They are ubiquitous. They are as universal as Newtonian laws of physics. And so everybody has these rights, and the purpose of government is to protect these rights. That is the American definition of justice. And finally, we can talk about the fact that the Declaration of Independence completely revolutionized our idea of citizenship. Before the Declaration of Independence, citizenship was oftentimes reliant on a race or a religion or a common historical background or a historical narrative that you had to believe in. But in America, as Abraham Lincoln later said in the 1850s and 60s, all you had to do to be an American is to believe in the proposition of the Declaration of Independence, which is that all men are created equal, that we are all worthy of natural rights, and that we have a right to revolt against those governments that do not protect our natural rights. And so essentially, history was recreated with the Declaration of Independence. No longer was the ordinary individual simply a subject of a king. No longer did we believe in the divine right of kings. Now, we were not subjects. We were citizens of our country, and government exists to protect our rights and service our needs. I hope this was helpful. See you tomorrow.